Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Sane here. First of all, I'd like to say thank you so much for those who have subscribed to my YouTube channel and those who have actually shared the video and those who have actually given me encouraging words and feedback. It is amazing the love that you guys have given me. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. But guys, kindly share some more. I need more. As of last week, I had 100 subscribers and I was so happy. Oh my goodness, I was out of this world. It was as if I hit like 100,000 subscribers, but it's okay, we'll get there. For today's tutorial, we'll be using a leftover scrap material that was left over from a previous project. And I faced a few challenges with the scrap material because it was too small, but I still wanted to use it because I love the material, the polka dots and everything. But without any further ado, let's get right in. First of all, you have to take the measurements just above your bust area and the desired length of your top. For this tutorial, you'll be needing your scrap material, your scissors, your tape measure, matching thread, pins, seam ripper, material marker, and the elastic for the top part of your top. Go ahead and fold your material and then mark out your desired length for your top. Once you have folded your material into 4, divide the top part chest measurements by 4 and add 2 inches so that you give room for your elastic. Mine was 31 inches, then I added it, making it 33 inches. For this top, I used a French seam stitch technique. The French seam technique, you first sew the wrong sides together with a 1/2 inch allowance. Then you turn it so the right sides are facing each other and sew close to the seam. After you have sewn the top part of the top, creating a loop for the elastic. For my top, the elastic was 0.5 centimeters, so I left a 1.5 centimeter opening. Then you insert the elastic on your top. When you're done inserting your elastic, distribute your gatherings, and then you can add the strings for your top. Strings are optional. If you don't want your top to have the strings, you can just skip this process. And there you have your crop top. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.